Hi my dear students, so integration. In this session I am going to explain some miscellaneous model problems and reduction formulae and also some tricks in reduction formulae. So this session is useful for you CAT, MSET, JEE, also CBSE. Okay, so watch the video till end to learn the things perfectly. So once you learn the things perfectly, then you can score easily in the examination. Either it is board examination or it may be competitive examination. Okay, so first I'm going to start some miscellaneous model problem. Okay, so if the given integral is of the form integral sin x whole power n into dx, where n is a natural number, then how to evaluate integral sin x power n into dx? So if n is odd, suppose if n is odd, so that is sin x power is odd, then you have to put cos x is equal to t. So put cos x is equal to t. That means we have to express this integrand in the form of function of cos x into sin x. Okay, so for example, integral sin cube x into dx. So here what is n value? 3, odd number. Then we have to express this as a function of cos x into sin x, and we have to put cos x is equal to t. So how to express? See, I am writing sin cube x as sin square x into sin x into dx. Now you express this sin square x in terms of cos. So how we can write? Sin square x can be written as 1 minus cos square x into sin x dx as it is. So now what you have to take substitution? Cos x is equal to t. So taking the differentials, cos x derivative is what? Minus sin x into dx is equal to dt. That means this sin x into dx becomes what? Minus dt. So substitute here, what will you get? Integral 1 minus cos x is t, so cos square x is t square, and sin x into dx is what? Minus dt. So if you multiply with the minus, so what will you get? Integral t square minus 1 into dt. Now integrate. Integral t square dt is what? T cube by 3 minus integral 1 into dt is what? T plus c. But what is t? T is nothing but cos x. So t cube by 3 means what you get? Cos cube x by 3 minus cos x plus c. So that was the answer. Integral sin cube x into dx is equal to cos cube x by 3 minus cos x plus c. So case 2, if n is even, then use sin square x is equal to 1 minus cos 2x by 2 and cos square x is equal to 1 plus cos 2x by 2. Cos square x is equal to 1 plus cos 2x by 2. So to evaluate integral sin x power n into dx when n is even number. Example, look at the example, integral sin square x into dx. Okay, so integral sin square x into dx, how to evaluate this? Integral sin x into dx is minus cos x plus c. But integral sin square x cannot be written as minus cos square x plus c. Okay, so sin square x into dx. To get this, we have to use these two formulas. But here at present, which formula we have to use? The first formula. So sin square x is equal to what? 1 minus cos 2x by 2 into dx. So 1 by 2 is a constant, take it outside. Integral 1 minus cos 2x into dx. Now integrating 1 by 2 into integral 1 into dx is x minus integral cos 2x into dx is what? Sin 2x divided by expansion is how much? 2 plus c. So that was the answer for integral sin square x into dx. power n into dx when n is a natural number. Okay, here also again two cases will arise when n is even, n is odd. If n is even, the same way, use sin square x formula 1 minus cos 2x by 2 and cos square x formula 1 plus cos 2x by 2. Okay, so example, integral cos x power 4 into dx. Integral cos x whole power 4 into dx. So here what is n value? 4, which is even number. So to evaluate this integral, so we have to use these two formulas. So first, cos power 4x. Cos power 4x can be written as how we can write? Cos square x whole square. Am I correct? So next, cos square x. What is cos square x formula? 1 plus cos 2x by 2. This is a cos square x formula whole square. So here divided by 2 square is nothing but 2 square is nothing but 4 only. So divided by 4 into 1 plus cos 2x whole square. So a plus b whole square form prakara. A square 1 plus b square cos square 2x plus 2ab 2 cos 2x. Okay, so 1 by 4 into 1 plus 2 cos 2x plus again cos square in 2x. How to adjust? Again using the same formula. So here angle x is there. Here what we got? Angle 2x. That means that angle become what? Double. So here what is basically angle? 2x. So 2x double is 4x. So cos square 2x, how we can write? 1 plus cos 4x by 2. Here if you take 2 LCM and simplify, I am writing that is here directly 1 by 8 into, so 2 1s are 2, 2 plus 1, 3 plus 4 cos 2x plus cos 4x into dx. Okay, so this is the cos power 4x value. Now you can integrate. So 1 by 8 take it outside. Integral 3 into dx is 3x. 4 cos 2x integration. 4 into cos 2x integration sin 2x by 2. Cos 4x integration sin 4x by 4 plus c. So this is the answer. Now case 2, what if n is odd? So if n is odd, then you put sin x is equal to t. That means you have to express that integral cos x power n into dx, that integrand cos x power n as a function of sin x into cos x. Function of sin x into cos x. So example, integral cos x power 5 into dx. Cos x power 5 into dx. Then how to evaluate this? So cos x power 5 you adjust like this, cos x whole power 4 into cos x into dx. Okay. Now further, cos power 4 can be written as cos square x whole square. Am I correct? Cos square x whole square. So further, cos square x can be written as what? 1 minus sin square x into cos x dx as it is. So this cos x power 4, how I am adjusting? Cos square x whole square. Cos square x is nothing but 1 minus sin square x. So cos power 4x is nothing but 1 minus sin square x whole square. So into cos x dx as it is. So what we have to put? Sin x is equal to t. Then cos x into dx becomes what? dt. So that's what you'll get, integral 1 minus t square whole square. Cos x into dx is dt. Okay. So 1 minus t square whole square using a minus b whole square formula. A square 1 minus 2ab minus 2t square plus b square. T square whole square is t power 4 into dt. Now integrating, what you'll get? T minus 2 into t square integration t cube by 3 plus t power 4 integration t power 5 by 5 plus c, where t is equal to sin x. So next method. If the given integral is of the form integral sin x power m into cos x power n dx, where the power of sin x and power of cos x is natural numbers. Okay. Then how to evaluate this kind of integral? Suppose if the power of sin x is odd, that means m is odd, then you have to put cos x is equal to t. If power of sin x is odd, then you have to put cos x is equal to t, just like type 1. Next, if power of cos x is odd, then you have to put sin x is equal to t. Okay. So if power of sin x is odd, you have to put cos x is equal to t. If power of cos x is odd, then you have to put sin x is equal to t. So that means in this case we have to express integrand as a function of sin x into cos x. In this case we have to express integrand as a function of cos x into sin x. If both m and n are odd, then either you put sin x is equal to t or cos x is equal to t. Okay. Both powers are even. If both powers are even, so just like that case, so use sin square x is equal to 1 minus cos 2x by 2 and cos square x is equal to 1 plus cos 2x by 2. Okay. So these are the 4 cases when m and n are natural numbers. So look at the first case model. So integral sin cube x into cos power 4x dx. Here, don't think about m value and n value, just you think about sin x power, cos x power. Here sin x power is 3, cos x power is 4. Sin x power is 3, cos x power is 4. Here sin x power is odd number. That means we have to put cos x is equal to t. Then what you have to put? We have to put cos x is equal to t. So before going to put cos x is equal to t, we have to express this as integrand as a function of cos x into sin x. So how? So cos power 4x as it is, this sin cube x I am adjusting like this. Sin square x into sin x dx. I am adjusting sin cube x as sin square x into sin x. Sin square x further can be written as 1 minus cos square x. Now we adjusted this integrand as a function of cos x into sin x dx. Now you put cos x is equal to t, you can easily evaluate. So if you put cos x is equal to t, then what you will get? This is t power 4 into 1 minus t square. Then cos x is equal to t means sin x into dx is a minus dt. So now multiply and simplify, it is standard integral only. If you multiply and simplify, you will get it as a standard integral. Then you can easily evaluate. Okay, so this is the example for first case. Next, example for second case, sin power 4x into cos power 5x dx. So here cos x power is odd, sin x power is odd, cos x power is odd. Then we have to put sin x is equal to t. We have to put sin x is equal to t. So if you want to put sin x is equal to t, you have to adjust this integrand as what? Function of sin x into cos x. Okay. So see, this is already sin x function in terms of sin only. So don't disturb sin power 4. So then you have to adjust this cos power 5 as what? Function of sin x into cos x. So cos power 5 can be written as cos power 4x into cos x. Correct? Then this cos power 4 can be written as cos square x whole square. Correct? Further cos square x can be written as what? 1 minus sin square x. Okay. So cos power 5, how I am adjusted? Cos power 4 into cos x. Cos power 4 is cos square whole square. Cos square is 1 minus sin square. Correct? Now if you put sin x is equal to t, then what you will get? Integrand t power 4 into 1 minus t square whole square. Then cos x into dx becomes what? dt. Now this is a minus b whole square formula prakara expand madri and multiply with t power 4, and each term is a standard integral because each term in the form of integral x power n into dx. So integral x power into dx formula is x power n plus 1 by n plus 1 plus c. Using that formula, you will get the answer. After getting an answer in terms of t, you put t value is sin x. Okay. Next example for third case. Example for third case. That means both sin x power is odd, cos x power is also odd. Then either you put sin x is equal to t or cos x is equal to t. So if you want to put sin x is equal to t, then we have to express this as a function of sin x into cos x. That means you have to adjust the integrand like this, sin cube x into cos power 5x as 1 minus sin square x whole square into cos x dx. Because this is a cos power 4 into cos x, cos power 5. Now you put sin x is equal to t, then you can evaluate. Or if you want to put cos x is equal to t, then you have to express this integrand as a function of cos x into sin x. So that means cos power 5x as it is. This sin cube x, how I am adjusting? 1 minus cos square x into sin x. Because 1 minus cos square x is sin square x into sin x is sin cube x. Okay. So if you adjust this integrand in this form, you have to put sin x is equal to t, because here I am adjusting integrand as a function of sin x into cos x. And in this case I am adjusting function of cos x into sin x. The integrand as function of cos x into sin x. So that's why I am putting here cos x is equal to t. And in this case we have to put sin x is equal to t. So though in both cases answer will look like different, but both values are same. Okay. So this is the third case example. Next, fourth case. Fourth case, integral sin square x into cos power 4x dx is there. So here m value 2, n value 4 both are even numbers. Then we have to use which formula? Sin square x is equal to 1 minus cos 2x by 2. Cos square x is equal to 1 plus cos 2x by 2. So this sin square x I am writing 1 minus cos 2x by 2. This cos power 4, how I can adjust? This is cos square x whole square. Cos square x whole square is cos square x whole square. Cos square x further I am writing 1 plus cos 2x by 2 whole square. Cos square x whole square. Cos square x is 1 plus cos 2x by 2. Okay. Now further this can be written as what? 1 minus cos 2x into 1 plus cos 2x whole square. I am writing it as 1 plus cos 2x into 1 plus cos 2x divided by what we have? 2 into 2 square 8. 1 by 8 take it outside. So 1 by 8 into integral 1 minus cos 2x into 1 plus cos 2x is 1 minus cos square 2x. 1 minus cos square 2x, because a plus b into a minus b into 1 plus cos 2x dx. So multiply. So 1 by 8 into integral 1 plus 1 minus cos square 2x plus cos 2x minus cos cube 2x. Cos of 2x whole cube. Okay. And you know how to evaluate. This is further we have to write 1 plus cos 4x by 2. Or you write 1 minus cos square 2x is sin square 2x. Sin square 2x is 1 minus cos 4x by 2. And you know how to evaluate. This is directly integrable. And here cos function, how much is there? Odd number is there. Then how to adjust this one? Cos square 2x into cos 2x. Cos square 2x, further how to write? 1 minus sin square 2x into cos 2x. And in this problem what you have to put? Sin 2x is equal to t. Integral sin x power m into cos x power n into dx, where m plus n is equal to minus 2k, k is natural number. That is m plus n is a negative even integer. Negative even integer. Because 2k is an even number, minus 2k is a negative even number. Negative even integer. Then how to evaluate this integral? To evaluate this type of integral, you have to divide both numerator and denominator by cos x whole power 2k. That is, if m plus n is minus 2k, then you have to divide numerator and denominator by cos x power 2k, then and put tan x is equal to t. That means we have to express that integrand as a function of tan x into secant square x. Okay, or divide numerator and denominator by sin x whole power 2k and put cot x is equal to t. That means in this second case, you have to express that integrand as a function of cot x into cosecant square x. Then you put cot x is equal to t. So either you follow first or second, no problem. So look at this example, integral secant x whole power 7 by 2 into cosecant x whole power 5 by 2 dx, which is equivalent to integral cos x whole power minus 7 by 2 into sin x whole power minus 5 by 2 dx, because secant x is reciprocal of cos x, cosecant x is reciprocal of sin x. Now it is look like integral this form only. So what is m plus n? If you add sum of these powers, what you will get? Minus 5 by 2 minus 7 by 2. If you add minus 12 by 2, which is minus 6. So it is a negative even integer. That means 2k value is how much? 6. That means we have to divide numerator and denominator by what? Cos x power 6. So if you divide both numerator and denominator by cos x whole power 6, then what you will get? So I am writing that is directly. So dividing with cos x whole power 6 to the numerator, what you will get? Secant x power 6. And divide denominator by cos x whole power 6, or multiplying numerator by cos x whole power 6, then what you will get? Here cos x whole power 5 by 2 into sin x whole power minus 5 by 2 into dx. So integral. So this is nothing but 1 upon sin only, na? Okay, sin x power minus 5 by 2 is nothing but 1 upon sin x power 5 by 2 only, na? So that means if you simplify these two, what you will get here? Tan x divided by tan x power 5 by 2. Okay, so if you simplify these two product, what do you get? Divided by tan x power 5 by 2, because so this can be written as divided by sin x power 5 by 2. That is cos x by sin x whole power 5 by 2 is cot x power 5 by 2. Cot x whole power 5 by 2 can be written as 1 upon tan x power 5 by 2. Now numerator we have what? Secant x power 6. So we have to express the secant x power 6 as function of tan x into secant square x. So how we can adjust? So I am writing secant x power 6 as secant x power 4 into secant square x dx. Now secant x power 4 we have to express in terms of tan. Secant x power 4 is nothing but 1 plus tan square x whole square. Correct? Because 1 plus tan square x is secant square x. So secant x power 4 can be written as secant square x whole square. That is 1 plus tan square x whole square divided by tan x power 5 by 2 into secant square x dx. Now what we have to put? Tan x is equal to t. So put tan x is equal to t. So if you put tan x is equal to t, then secant square x into dx becomes what? dt. Thus the integral becomes what? 1 plus t square whole square by t power 5 by 2 into dt. What is t? Tan x. So now you can able to solve this problem. Okay. Next to one more problem. Integral root tan x divided by sin x into cos x dx. So this problem is not look like in this form, but if you express in that form, you will get m plus n value is minus 2. Okay, you will get m plus n is minus 2. That means you have to divide numerator and denominator by what? Cos square x. Because m plus n value is minus 2. So minus 2k is minus 2, 2k is plus 2. So we have to divide numerator and denominator by cos x power 2k is cos square x. So if you divide numerator by cos square x, numerator what will get? Root tan x into secant square x dx. If you divide denominator by cos square x, what will you get? Tan x. Now you put tan x is equal to t, then you can able to solve this problem. integral root cot x by sin x into cos x dx. So if you write, it is equivalent to integral sin x power minus 3 by 2 into cos x power minus 1 by 2. By writing cot x as cos x by sin x, and if you simplify this integrand, you will get this. So here what you are getting, m plus n value minus 2. Then we have to divide both numerator and denominator by cos square x or sin square x. Whenever if you divide with cos square x, you have to put tan x is equal to t. Whenever if you divide with sin square x, you have to put cot x is equal to t. But here sin x power value, here cos x power value, observe which power is more negative, sin x power. So better you divide with sin x power 2k. That is nothing but sin square x in this problem. So if you divide with the sin square x both numerator and denominator, then problem reduces to root cot x into cosecant square x divided by, here if you divide with the sin square x, what you will get? Cot x. Numerator if I divide with sin square x, nothing but cosecant square x, you will get into cosecant square x. Denominator if I divide with the sin square x, what I will get? 1 sin x get cancelled, cos x by sin x is cot x. Now here what we have to put in this problem? Cot x is equal to t. Now you can easily evaluate this integral. Next, reduction formula. In this reduction formula, I am discussing only those reduction formula which have short tricks. Okay. So first one is integral tan x whole power n into dx. So direct shortcut is there. Here n is a natural number. N is a natural number. So what is answer for this question? So here whole power, how much is there? N is there, na? Then you reduced n 1. You reduce 1 from the power of tan x. So if you reduce 1 from the power of tan x, what will you get? N minus 1 divided by n minus 1. So first term is plus. Alternatively plus minus. Next minus tan x power. Here what is the power? N minus 1. Now you reduced 2. Then what you will get? N minus 1 minus 2 is n minus 3 by n minus 3. After minus plus. Next you reduce 2 again. Tan x power n minus 5 by n minus 5. So continue this procedure till tan x power is either 1 or 2 and it is end with k. What is k? So k is x plus c if n is even. And k is integral tan x. Integral tan x dx is nothing but what? Log mod secant x plus c if n is odd. So integral tan x power n into dx is what? Tan x, alternatively plus minus. So here power is n, so begin with n minus 1. So tan x power n minus 1 by n minus 1. After plus, next to minus. So from n minus 1 you subtract 2. Okay, then what will you get? N minus 3. So next term will be tan x power n minus 3 by n minus 3. After minus, next to plus. Here what we have power? N minus 3. Then again you subtract 2 or reduce 2. So n minus 3 minus 2 is n minus 5. So n minus 5 by n minus 5. Continue this procedure till you are getting tan x power is 1 or 2. After getting 1 or 2, next term will be k. Next term will be what? K. So what is k? K value is x plus c when n is even. This power is even. And what is k value? Ln of or log of mod secant x to the base e plus c when the power n is odd. Example, integral tan x power 8 into dx. So here what is n value? 8. So 8 means what? Even number. So last term will be what? X plus c. Okay, last term will be what? X plus c. So it is equal to, so n value 8, then n minus 1 value what you will get? 7. So tan x power 7 by 7. First term plus, next minus tan x power reduced to 5 by 5. After minus, next plus. So 5 minus 2, what do you get? 3. So tan cube x by 3. After plus, minus. Then from 3, if you subtract 1, what do you get? 3 minus 2, 1. Tan x power 1 by 1. So you got tan x power 1. So stop the procedure. After minus, next what do you get? Plus. But here n value even number. Last term k value is what? X plus c. So that was the answer. Integral tan x power 8. Okay. Next to take one more problem. Suppose integral tan x power 6 into dx is there. So what is n value here? 6 even number. Okay. End with what? X plus c. So n value 6 means n minus 1, what do you get? 5. So tan x power 5 by 5. After plus, next minus. So 5 minus 2 how much? 3. Tan cube x by 3. After minus what? Plus. So 3 minus 1 how much? 3 minus 2 is how much? 1. So tan x power 1 by 1. After plus, next minus. So as n is even, end with what? X plus c. So minus x plus c. Over. So next, suppose integral tan x power 7 into dx. So here n value is what? 7, odd number. So end with what? Ln of mod secant x plus c. Okay. So 7 minus 1 how much? 6. So first term will be what? Tan x power 6 by 6. Next after plus, minus 6 minus 2 is how much? 4. Tan x power 4 by 4. After minus, next plus, 4 minus 2, 2. So tan square x by 2. So after, so here tan x power what you got? 2. Even tan x power what you got? 2. So if tan x power, if you are getting 1 or 2, you stop the procedure. So I stop the procedure. Next you have to write last term. So the last term is what? After plus minus, as n is odd number, the last term is what? Ln of mod secant x plus c. Oh, that was the answer. So reduction formula next shortcut is, this is the integral cot x power n into dx. If you can remember integral tan x power n into dx, that shortcut formula, you can easily remember this shortcut also. But you have to remember two things. The first thing is, in tan x power n, alternatively what? Plus minus plus minus. So first term positive, next term negative. First, next third term positive, fourth term negative, like that. But here reverse. First term negative, next positive, negative, positive. Okay. And second thing, so last two terms sign will be same. Last two terms sign will be same. And here also you have to continue this procedure till you are getting cot x power is either 1 or 2. Okay. So example. So here what is k value? K value is x plus c if n is even. And k value is integral cot x dx, nothing but ln of mod sin x plus c if n is odd. So take example, integral cot x power 8 into dx. What is n value? 8, even number. So you have to begin with what? Minus sign. N value 8 means n minus 1 value is how much? 7. So first term is minus cot x power 7 divided by 7. Next plus cot x power 7 minus 2 is how much? 5 by 5. After plus, next minus 5 minus 2 is how much? 3. So cot x whole cube by 3. After minus, next what you will get? Plus 3 minus 2 how much? 1. So cot x power 1 divided by 1. Next plus only you will get. You won't get minus, because you have to stop this procedure, because we are getting cot x power how much? 1. So we have to stop this procedure, and we have to add what? K. And what is the sign of k here? Plus, because last two terms sign will be what? Same. So plus. So k value is what is k value? Here n value is 8, even number. So k value is what? X plus c. Oh. Next, suppose if n is odd, for that one example you see. Suppose integral cot x whole power 5 into dx is there. So here n value is how much? 5, odd number. Okay. Then here alternatively first minus, next plus. cot x power 5 minus 1 is how much? 4 by 4. After minus, next plus cot square x by 2. So we are getting cot x power is 2. Stop that procedure. Then we have to what? Add k. So that k sign is what? Positive sign or negative sign? Here cot square x, this before term sign is what? Plus. Because I told the last two term sign will be same. As this term is plus sign, next term is also plus sign only. So what is k value when n is odd? Ln of mod sin x plus. Okay. Suppose you take one more example. Integral cot x power 7 into dx. So here what is n value? 7, odd number. So minus 7 minus 1 is how much? 6. So minus cot x power 6 by 6. Next plus cot x power, how much you will get? 6 minus 2, 4 by 4. Next minus cot x power 4 minus 2, 2 by 2. So that means we are getting cot x power is what? 2. So stop the procedure. And I told last two term sign will be same. So this term sign is minus sign, means next term sign is also minus only. And that what is that last term? K. So what is k value here? N value is how much? 7, odd number. So when n is odd number, what is k value? Ln of mod sin x plus. So that was the answer. That means if you can remember this short trick, you can able to solve within 10 seconds only this answer. Okay, within 10 seconds only you can able to solve this problem. Next. So last two more shortcut formulas. So you can able to solve these two problems by using product rule 2 times you will get the answer. But it will take minimum 3 times to solve this problem by applying product rule or integration by parts. But if you can remember this shortcut formula, then you can easily solve that problem within 5 seconds. Okay. So here how to remember this formula. So outside in both formulas e power ax by a square plus b square. Correct? Then first you write a into, that is a x coefficient in e power ax, a into, what is the given function? Sin bx plus c. Sin bx plus c. Next, what is the x coefficient in the sin of bx plus c? B. B into sin integration plus cos or minus cos or minus cos. So minus cos of bx plus c. So you apply the same trick for second formula also. So same outside e power ax by a square plus b square as it is. Here in e power ax, now the x coefficient is what? A into, what is the given function? Cos bx plus c. In cos bx plus c, what is the x coefficient? B into cos integration plus sign or minus sign? Plus sign. So plus sign of bx plus c. Okay. So example, integral e power 3x into sin of 4x dx. So that means here a value is 3, a value 3, b value how much? 4. You need not worry about c. C value is what? 0. Okay. So if you apply that formula, you will get e power 3x by a square plus b square. 9 plus 16, how much? 25. So a into, that is 3 into, what is the given function? Sin 4x. Sin integration plus cos or minus cos or minus cos. So minus b, that is minus 4 into cos 4x plus o or plus k. Okay. Next to one more problem, integral e power 4x into cos of 3x plus 2 into dx. See here a value is how much? 4, b value is how much? 3. So what you will get outside? E power ax, that is e power 4x divided by a square plus b square, 16 plus 9, 25. A into, what is a? 4 into, what is the given function here? Cos of 3x plus 2. Cos integration, plus sign or minus sign? Plus sign. So plus b, b is nothing but 3 into sin of 3x plus 2 plus c. So there was the answer. So with this I am going to close integration and also this session. So you watch all my sessions to understand the concept thoroughly. If you understand the things or concepts, then you can able to solve the problems easily. Okay. So if you like this video, share this video to your friends and ask them subscribe my channel so that they will get more videos. Okay. So stay home, stay safe. Thank you.